lamang doon at doon, nagpulaw, permanent oil, nagpulaw sa tuon, nagpulaw sa tikod ang mga bed. Ay, daw sila ng mga bed sila. Nag-graduate sa pangalaman sa year for choosing Santa Ana. Or si Sam. It's great to hear you say that you are happy and feeling good and average. And we are into knowing ourselves. No? And I just chose this my favorite poem from Robert Frost. Have you heard of this poem? The Road Not Taken. Lalabanan daw sa mga psychology students would know what this poem is about. Sino nakaka-across yung poem? Sino nakaka-across this poem? So, can you give me how you understand the poem in just a sentence? Thank you so much for that. Hindi ka na siya isa-isa ko. Gusto ko lang na makanta. The road not taken. So, we imagine ourselves standing at a crossroads, like we have that two trucks or paths ahead of us. What would be promising? However, only one would be aligned with who you are, which you can align with you. So, how do you choose the left or the right track? Right or wrong choose? How do you choose? If you were to choose, where would you go? And your decision lies where? Again, paano ka mo mag-decide kung left or right na track ang inyong nakakon? Kasi galing eh? Sa likod, ito mo ang ating card. Yes, you are smiling. How would you choose? So how would you choose? Paano? Titignan ko ba kung ano yung nakapilit natin same time. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano mag-choose. Titignan ko na lang. Okay, very risky. You are an adventurer, right? Adventurer ka. Okay. Okay. So, paano ka mag-choose? The answer lies in self-awareness. Because you cannot choose if you do not know your own self. Diba? Kung hindi mo kilala yung self. How would you choose? When you don't know your limitations, your strengths. Diba? What are your knowledge that you have gained during the birth? What are the skills and the attitudes that you have that you manifest in your behavior? So, self-awareness. Self-awareness now is a foundation of personal development. Foundation, bedrock, the root cause. And a compass for informed decision making. The best decision now that you would take is that it is an informed decision. Why informed decision? You must know, you must identify kung ano na siya dapat ay imo nga may natahakon pa your decision making. So you must gather information direction before ka mag-jump up, jump shot, kung deciding on a thing. Diba? So, yan ang self-awareness. According to Goleman, it is a conscious knowledge of one's emotions, your values, the thing that you hold important in your life, your strengths, your weaknesses or your limitation, and your impact to other people because you are a social being as a human being. We socialize, we interact, we interrelate with people, they in and they out of our lives. Ano na siya rin tawag? So kung you sort of indulge yourself the whole day in your room, naka-block out ng curtains, tulong, kaya lang, walang napindot-pindot sa mga curtains. I forgot the term. It connotes with your, with your generation. Resolution. There's another term for that. Ay, dito. Basta. Anyway, ako na siya. At third, you indulge in your gadgets na tulong siya the whole day, more than 24 hours pa. And then, there are two dimensions of our self-awareness. Internal, it is clarity about your personal values, your motivations, and emotional triggers. Internal self-awareness. It comes from within. Sa sulod sa inyong self. So that's why you need not only coexist with others as a social being, you need to coexist with yourself as well. So, clarity. Mas may direction in mga values that you prize for, that you give importance in your life. Ang mga motivations mo sila, at ang emotional triggers. When you say emotional triggers, what makes you behave